Hey guys, so in this step what we are going to do is create the surfaces between the two cross sections, and we are going to do that by creating a work plane between the two cross sections. So let me just first hide the lower sketch because we're going to work on the middle and the top one first. And what we're going to do is create a plane using three vertices. So we're going to select the three vertices as you can see, and this will give us a work plane to work on. We'll create a 2D sketch on it, and we'll project the geometries, basically the line as well as the vertex, and then use the line tool to connect the two remaining vertices together. So what this gives us is a nice triangle shape on the, connecting the two cross sections that we created earlier. Now what we're going to do is extrude them, and we are going to extrude this on the outer side and not on the inner side. And let me just try a thickness of 5 and see, it looks a bit thick. How about 3? mm, I think I'll go with 2. 2 looks nice. So this basically gives the outer surface of the planter, the upper surface of the planter between the top and the middle section. Now we are gonna just create a circular pattern and choose the y-axis as the center axis, and the number of sizes 10, and this will conveniently generate the other surfaces for us. And as you can see, this is created nice pattern around the axis, and this saves time. So now we are gonna create another work plane on the other three vertices, as you can see, and create the bottom half of the remaining surface that needs to be created. So just make sure that you are choosing the correct vertices that are on the sketch and not on the extruded part, because that will really screw up the design. And once, I mean, if you miss that and you come back, it'll be difficult to find out the error. So we'll follow the same process. We'll project the vertex and the line, and then use the line tool to basically create the join the remaining two vertices together, and again create the same triangle shape on this lower half. And once you do that, we are going to extrude this lower surface again, and then create the circular pattern. Just again, as a word of caution, make sure you're choosing the right vertex. That's why you see me going really deep, zooming in and making sure that using the right vertices as on the basis of your design. So again, we'll choose distance to extrude it outside, on the outer side, and this will give a nice surface. This basically completes the upper half of the planter, the surface between the middle and the top sections. Again, we will use the circular pattern and mirror, I mean, create the remaining surfaces. So it's a really handy tool. You just need to do the work once, and then the CAD software does everything else for you. So as you can see, the pattern has been created, and this basically completes the top half of the plant. Now this looks really nice. There are gaps in between, so you can fill them if you want to, using patch and sculpt, which I'll discuss later, or which